the top 5 volume indicators. Good day, and welcome to the FX Warrior YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 5 volume indicators that you can find. Now, before we kick off the video, we first need to understand what a volume indicator does, or the function of volume indicators. Now, volume indicators have only one job, which is to let us know if there is enough volume or volatility in the market to execute our trades. It does not tell us anything about the direction of the market. It only lets us know if there is enough volume in any market. This will enable us only take trades that are in our favor and automatically eliminate a lot of false signals and range-bound markets, which are usually annoying to trade. Now today, I'll be giving you for free a lot of these volume indicators which you would have spent months or years to find and test. Now let's kick the video off. Firstly, we're going to be looking at the stiffness indicator. Don't worry, I know the name is hilarious. To add this indicator, you're to go ahead and click on the Indicators tab on TradingView. Next, search for Stiffness and select the first one by aggregate. Now this indicator on its default performs phenomenally and is very unforgiving to ranging markets. It works perfectly on the lower and higher time frames. Now you're going to click on the Setting tab on this indicator, then go ahead and check the Highlight Threshold crossover box so that it will be easier to read. Now that it is done, this is how to read the signals. You can only trade when the zone is showing a green or the yellow bar is above the red. This states that the markets currently have enough juice to move. Otherwise, when the zone is red or the yellow bar is below the red, these are bad market conditions and trading should be paused. You should not take any trades under these circumstances as you'll be losing a lot of money. This indicator is very useful, and you'll also notice that the signals are in line with the trend. Take your time and backtest this indicator and see how it blends in with your current strategy. Always test and make sure that any indicator you add to your strategy improves the strategy. And never trade only one indicator no matter what. Let's move on. The next indicator we're going to be looking at is the Normalized Volume Indicator. To add this indicator to your trading view, click on the Indicators tab, then type Normalized Volume Indicator. Select this one by Sion. Now this indicator also changes the candle colors, as you can observe, which can also help for easy readability. Now when the color is red, this means that there is not enough volume in the markets to trade. Remember that volume indicators are not like confirmation or buy and sell indicators. They only tell you if the markets are currently ranging or not. Also on this indicator, when the candles are yellow, it means that there is enough volume to trade the markets, and when the candles are green, this signifies high volumes in the markets. This indicator is also very consistent and does not repaint, so you can be confident in your backtest when using this indicator. Also, you can change the period of the indicator and settings to fit your strategy. Okay. The next indicator is the Damiani VAPM indicator. To add this indicator, click on the Indicators tab on TradingView. Next, search for Damiani VAPM and select this one by Ricardo Santos. Now, visually looking at this indicator might be confusing for beginner traders or generally a trader that is new to trading with indicators. First, you're to ignore the red line below, as it only shows the same data as the green and white lines. Aside from that, the signals from this indicator are very simple to decipher. It shows that a trading asset is volatile when the green line is over the white line, and the market is in a bad range when the white line is over the green. This indicator also performs very well on even the lower time frames, so if you already have algorithms that you execute on the lower time frames, you can consider this indicator to boost your performance. Obviously not financial advice. So do your research. Let's move on. The next indicator on this list is the Watt Adder Explosion indicator. To add this indicator, click on the Indicators tab on TradingView. Next, search for Watt Adder Explosion and go ahead and select the first one by Lazy Bear. Before we explain how this indicator works, go to the Settings tab of the indicator. Go ahead and change the color of the explosion line to white and also increase the thickness of the line, making it a little bit fatter. Now let's examine how this indicator works. This signal is only valid when the bar below is either green or above the explosion line, as that is the threshold for volume. So when all other indicators on your trading system are giving you a signal, you're to check if the signal on the Watt Adder Explosion indicator is simultaneously agreeing with the rest of your indicators. If there is no volume in the markets, then the trades are automatically false. You can under no circumstances trade without volume in the markets. These are the practices of a good trader. Now the final indicator that we're going to be looking at is the Trend Direction and Force Index, also known as the TD5. To add this indicator, click on the Indicators tab on TradingView, search Trend Direction Force Index, and select this one by Cause Celebre. This indicator is easy to read, as the signal is only valid when the line is green. This means that when the line is green, there is enough volume in the markets. When the line is gray or red, there is no volume in the markets, and it would be better to stay out during these potential ranging markets. Comment which of these indicators is your favorite in the comments section, like this video, and subscribe so you can get notified when I release the next video. Stay blessed and profitable.